While most of us binge watch Netflix for entertainment, one woman turned it into a full-time job that made her rich. Yes, she gets paid to watch Netflix, and it's not just a side hustle, it's a career. Curious about how she managed this? Let me take you into the fascinating story of a Netflix tagger and how this dream job turned her life around. For most people, Netflix is the ultimate escape. Whether it's unwinding after a long day or spending a lazy weekend watching your favorite shows, it's the go-to for entertainment. But for Sarah, a 29-year-old from California, Netflix became her ticket to financial freedom. She didn't just watch shows for fun, she made it her livelihood. Sarah stumbled upon this unconventional opportunity during a random search for remote jobs. Buried in the listings was a position titled Netflix Tagger. Intrigued, she dug deeper. The job required her to watch Netflix content and assign metadata, such as tags, genres, and keywords, to help improve the platform's recommendation algorithm. It wasn't just about watching shows, it was about analyzing them. At first glance, being a Netflix tagger sounds like a dream, getting paid to sit on your couch and watch TV. But the reality, it's more complex than it seems. Sarah's job involved meticulously watching every show, movie, or documentary assigned to her and tagging them with specific attributes. For example, if she was watching a romantic comedy, she'd tag it with keywords like romance, comedy, lighthearted, or family-friendly. If it was a thriller, she'd focus on elements like suspense, crime, or psychological tension. These tags are what help Netflix suggest, because you watched, recommendations to millions of users worldwide. Essentially, Sarah was part of the brains behind Netflix's famously accurate algorithm. Landing this unique role wasn't easy. Netflix only hires a limited number of taggers, and the application process is highly competitive. Sarah had a background in media studies and a knack for understanding storytelling, which gave her an edge. She submitted a detailed application showcasing her analytical skills and passion for movies and TV shows. After a rigorous interview process where she had to analyze a show's themes and create a tagging report, Sarah got the job. Her excitement was through the roof. She was about to get paid to do what she loved. Here's the million-dollar question. How much does a Netflix tagger earn? While Netflix doesn't publicly disclose salaries for this role, industry insiders estimate that taggers can earn between $50,000 and $80,000 per year, depending on experience and workload. For Sarah, the job started as a modest income, but as she gained experience and took on more assignments, her earnings grew significantly. Within 3 years, she was making over $100,000 annually. The job also came with perks, like early access to Netflix originals and the flexibility to work from anywhere. While the job sounds like a dream, it's not without its challenges. Sarah often had to watch content she wasn't personally interested in, from cheesy reality shows to dark documentaries. She couldn't skip or fast forward. Every second needed to be analyzed. The workload could also be overwhelming. Some weeks, she'd have to watch up to 40 hours of content, taking detailed notes and ensuring every tag was accurate. It's not just passive viewing, it's active analysis. And then there was the pressure to stay objective. Personal biases couldn't interfere with her tagging. Even if she hated a particular show, she had to evaluate it fairly. Sarah didn't stop at just tagging. She leveraged her expertise to explore additional income streams. She started a blog where she reviewed Netflix shows, giving viewers insight into hidden gems on the platform. Her blog gained a following, and soon she was earning through affiliate links and sponsorships. She also launched a YouTube channel where she discussed how Netflix's algorithm works and shared tips for finding the best shows. Her unique perspective as an insider made her content stand out, and she quickly gained subscribers. By combining her Netflix tagging job with these side hustles, Sarah turned a niche career into a lucrative empire. With the rise of streaming platforms, the demand for metadata experts is only growing. Netflix isn't the only player in town. Amazon Prime, Hulu, Disney Plus, and even niche platforms like Crunchyroll are looking for similar roles. Sarah believes this trend will create more opportunities for people to turn their love for entertainment into a career. However, she also warns that AI could eventually replace human taggers. While algorithms are improving, they still lack the nuanced understanding of storytelling that humans provide. Sarah's advice? Stay adaptable and continue honing your skills. Sarah's story proves that unconventional jobs can lead to incredible success. She turned a simple love for Netflix into a high-paying career, showing that sometimes thinking outside the box pays off. If you found this story fascinating, hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more unbelievable hustles. And hey, if you think you have what it takes to be a Netflix tagger, start brushing up on your movie knowledge, because the next dream job might just be waiting for you. Let us know in the comments. What's the weirdest way you've ever heard of someone making money? We'd love to hear your thoughts.